Science and development are extremely fast these days. It is not easy even for the manufacturers to direct themselves in the characteristics and possibilities of advanced materials. The result of the sub-project, Mate.O.D, can help them with that. Within the sub-project, a so-called library of materials was created.
The goal of the Mate.O.D project was to develop some kind of relational database which is able to give a complete set of informations to the user, to the expert and to the beginner, to the techno-starters about materials, about technologies and the expert of materials and technologies. We move through three different kind of aspects of material: metallic materials, polymers and technologies to process the materials. And we try to focus on materials for biomedical applications, basically on shape memory alloys for the metallic materials, and on complex and innovative polymers for the polymer side of the project. The final judgment on the contribution from the different countries to the Mate.O.D project is definitely positive, because all the countries contributed to some extent to this development. From the Catalan country, for example, we have a good contribution both on the development of the instrument, of the database, and on the development of new opportunities for the techno-starters, because in that case we had some company related to the use of nickel titanium in biomedical application, and this was of course appreciated. Also from the Czech we have a contribution to the general scheme of the database, contribution to the materials which have been inserted in the database, and so I have to give a positive evaluation of this partnership that we hope we can put forward also in another project like that. The results obtained in Mate.O.D project have not been yet directly installed in a specific company, because being a database on material and technology, it should be of quite widespread use, not related specifically to one company. We have had some interest from a couple of techno-starters here in Italy, interested in cooperation with us in new materials applications or on the regulatory part of starting up new companies. And from the other part, if the results are yet in use, the answer is yes, because the database is available on the net, and so you can consult it. Of course, it's still in its initial part of development, and it should be enriched of new information and new data, which will be part probably of an extension.